Alright, this video is a continuation of the EW10J4 versus EW10A Peugeot engines. So, it's just more like an update on that video. So, one of the, in fact, I think this will be the part 4 or thereabouts. So, the other ones there was a point I mentioned that the EW10A parts cost more. Now the parts of the EW10A cost more than that of EW10J4, or maybe the cost of maintenance is higher. But I want to take that back. I think I was relying on the old part prices or the cost of maintenance of E10A, because I just realized that the EW10A engine, that's if you want to buy a used one, the one we call Tokumbo, or fully used, or one in very good condition, I think the complete engine is I think maybe like 130 or 150,000. Well, I know two people that bought these things in Kaduna. So one said eventually ended up buying only the skeleton at 100,000. The second person bought it 110,000, which is almost the same thing. At least I know here in Abuja, in EW10, in fact, it's even more expensive here in Abuja. EW10J4, the skeleton is about 130,000. The last time I bought it for someone, or I priced it, the full complete engine is like 150. So that's my point, is it's almost the same price. Now, before then, I know I bought EW10J for EW10A for people like 2 times, change it for customers like twice. So I was using that, it was like, oh, okay, that was like last year or so. So if you are in terms of replacing the engine, is almost the same price with the other one. The difference may be just maybe like 10,000 naira. It may not even be up to 20,000, or maximum 20,000 naira difference. So it's almost like the same price. Then let's talk about the parts of EW10A versus EW10J4. The parts, of course, I mentioned the Spark Plus are the same. Okay, let's talk about the differences. The EW10A motorized throttle body, the new one for Impa and Kaduna is like 40-something thousand naira now. Right? Is it pan or open market? But I know, yes, I think I priced it for someone. It was 46,000, new one, original new one, which is I can't say if that is the same with EW10J4, because EW10J4, the throttle body is not really that common in open market, because like I said, people prefer to buy used one when it comes to that one, because the used ones are cheaper. So likewise I've also this used one for the second hand for EW10A motorized throttle body is still more expensive. So for me, it makes more sense rather than buy a second hand of 35,000 naira. You can also just buy a new one for 5,000 and be sure that you are going to get something that will last you for long, rather than putting second hand that you don't know the lifespan. Maybe it may not even last a month. What else? This gasket, the cylinder head gasket, the one they call top gasket in Nigeria. The engine cylinder head gasket for EW10A is like about 10,000 naira, the new OEM, that's the original new one, while the EW10J4 is about 7,000 something. So you are looking at like 8,000 naira. So what's the difference? Difference of 2,000 naira. So when you look at it, you can't really say, yeah, that this one is very expensive to maintain. I'm talking about EW10A. So the price differences are almost coming close to each other. So that's the I just wanted to update this video so that people will know. Don't if you want to buy that EW10A, don't get discouraged. Don't get discouraged. Before, when they like 3-4 years ago, the engine used to cost about 300. In fact, like 5 years ago, it was like 300 and something thousand. Yeah, to buy a used engine of EW10A, it was that expensive at that time. You know, that time it wasn't that common. People were scared of it. But you know, like I said, if you are buying a Peugeot 407 from 2007 upward, you can no longer get EW10 G4. So a lot of people are not buying such 407. So almost all of them are coming in with EW10A, as long as it's 4-cylinder and it's not EW12. So it's becoming very common. 307 are also coming in with that engine. So people are buying, you know, it's not very much available, so, including the parts, cheap as well. So two of them, their parts are cheap. That's what I'm saying now. You know, no more difference between the two. So I hope this video has clarified it for people who might be discouraged or still wondering the real difference between the price of this one engine from the other. Alright, that's all for this video.